Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever noticed those tiny moving specks in your vision, especially when you look at a clear sky or a bright computer screen? They can be quite intriguing, right? Today, I'm going to explain what those little floaters are, why you see them, and what they mean for your eye health. So what exactly are floaters? Are they something to be worried about? These tiny specks, also known as _muscae volitantes, Latin for flying flies, aren't actually bugs or dirt on your eyes. They're a natural part of your eye's anatomy. They're inside your eye, floating around in a gel-like substance called the vitreous humor. This substance fills the space between your lens and your retina. The vitreous humor is a clear gel that helps maintain the eye's shape. Sometimes tiny bits of red blood cells, protein clumps, or other debris get trapped in it. When light passes through your eye, these tiny particles cast shadows on your retina, which is what you see as floaters. It's like a mini shadow play happening inside your eye. Now you might wonder, why do floaters move? Why don't they just stay in one place? Well, they drift along with the movement of your eye. When you shift your gaze, they seem to bounce around, giving the illusion that they're alive and moving independently. So when you shift your gaze, they seem to bounce around, giving the illusion that they're alive. It's a fascinating phenomenon, isn't it? Floaters are usually barely noticeable, but they become more visible in certain conditions. Have you ever noticed them more when you're looking at a bright uniform background? For example, when you're staring at a bright uniform background like a computer screen or a clear sky, the consistent light makes the floaters' shadows easier to see. It's like they suddenly come to life. Plus, your pupils contract in bright light, which makes these shadows even clearer. This is why you might notice them more on a sunny day or when you're working on your computer. There's also something called the blue field entoptic phenomenon. This is another interesting visual effect that many people experience. This is when you see tiny darting blue dots in your vision. These aren't floaters, but they're equally fascinating. Unlike floaters, these aren't shadows. They're actually something else entirely. They're actually white blood cells moving through the capillaries in front of your retina. It's like watching a microscopic traffic jam happening right before your eyes. It's important to note that everyone experiences floaters and these visual effects to some degree. It's a universal experience, part of the human condition. Our brains usually learn to ignore them. Over time, you might not even notice them unless you're specifically looking for them. However, if you suddenly see a lot more floaters than usual, it could be a sign of a serious issue, so you should get it checked out by a doctor. It's always better to be safe and ensure your eyes are healthy. In conclusion, these little floaters are a fascinating reminder that our perception of the world is shaped by the intricate biology of our own eyes. They're a small but significant part of our visual experience. Next time you notice them, you'll know exactly what's going on. You'll have a deeper understanding of the complex and beautiful machinery that is your eye. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cool science explanations. See you next time.